Hey everybody, I'm Bonnie Palmer. It is Sunday, open house day, and I'm very excited to be joining you from historic Brookhaven today, where you can see behind me a gorgeous traditional home sitting in the Town Commons subdivision in Brookhaven. And let's go in and have a look. I'll be here today, by the way, from 2 to 4 p.m. if you want to drop in and see this house in person. So I want to tell you right off the bat that this is an incredible opportunity to get a house in this area for well below what other homes are selling for. The house was built in 1991 and it needs quite a bit of updating. But that means that you can come in, scoop it up for $1.399 and then make all of the design changes that you want, make it custom for you and your family for maybe a couple of $100,000, and then you're still going to be well below what other homes are selling for. Over here, they're at about 2.5 and a little below that within this neighborhood for a home of this size. So we're at just under 5,000 square feet. There's a couple of really big things about this house that I want to point out to you. So let's go ahead and walk in. First thing you're going to notice is the grand entryway, and it truly is magnificent. Sky-high ceilings, chandeliers, winding staircases. Doesn't this just scream South to you? A little bit of that Georgian traditional flair. I love the high ceilings. And you're going to notice that on the first floor, we've got hardwoods all the way through. There are some rooms that would be very easy to update, like this one. This was their formal dining room previously. The kitchen's going to need a little more work. I would suggest probably new countertops all the way around and new appliances. Still not too terrible to tackle. We've got a connected garage through there, powder room. Upstairs, of course, we've got all of our bedrooms, bathrooms. Downstairs, there's playroom, rec space, media room, more bedrooms and bathrooms. But I don't have time to show you all of that today because you have to come see it in person. What I really want to take you to see is going to be through here. Now, this is going to be a more formal sitting room. You've got the fireplace, the wet bar, lots of space for sofas and chaise lounges and all that. And then you've got 2 sets of French doors along this wall here. And they're going to lead us out. Take a wild guess as to what my favorite part of the house is. Outdoor living space, of course. And here you have it. Pool, jacuzzi with the waterfall, grill and fireplace out here. Really, there is such minimal yard space here to maintain. It'd be great if you had a couple of Chihuahuas or Maltese dogs that just need a little bit of yard space, and then the rest of it is going to be dedicated to you and lounging by the pool in the summertime. Isn't that beautiful? And I love the fireplace and the grill on the other side. That's a great spot to put a little conversation set, and you can sit out even on drizzly summer days like today. You can take advantage of being outdoors in Georgia, which is part of why we all live here, isn't it? There's another entrance from the pool area into the powder room. So if somebody is swimming, they need to go clean up, they can head right that way without dripping water all through the house. One more glance here. All right, and that is your preview of today's open house.